Finding a really good Amazon wig is like finding a needle in a haystack. I know the struggle and I got you, girl. Keep watching. I'll tell you the details of this affordable Amazon wig and how I installed and styled her. Hello my beautiful queens, welcome to my channel. If wigs got you in a headlock and won't let go, this is the channel for you, so make sure you subscribe so you can keep vibing with your girl. Now the packaging to this wig is the definition of big things comes in small packages. Because did you see that? Don't let that packaging fool you, because this is a gorgeous 30-inch 13 by 6 body wave wig. It's from BeCools, so be cool, girl, be cool. It came pre-plucked, however the knots needed to be bleached, but they bleached beautifully. This is what the hair is looking like after it's washed. It's really soft with very minimal shedding and tangles. I've already cut around the ears and I got rid of the 3 combs. I only left the comb in the back. To install this beauty, we're going to use my Sticky Little Secret products. We're going to start with the skin protectant spray, and then we're going to use the lace glue, and then the melting spray. So sit back and relax, and I'll show you step by step how I achieved the style that you saw in the beginning. I decided to go in with 2 layers of glue. Wait for that glue to go clear before you add the other layer. I decided to go in sections, starting with my big forehead and then the sides. This way I know I'm applying it evenly. For me, it makes it easier for me, because you can just put it all around the forehead, but then when you go to lay down the lace, you may get one part correct and then the other one's incorrect, and then you already laid down one part and then you gotta lift the lace, and then that's how you get the white cast. Girl, why not avoid all that and do it in sections, you know? I saw somebody apply this spray doing her glue install and it came out so flawless. I had to give it a try. So glad I did. This is before the melting spray. Now, for an Amazon wig, you tell me. Okay, it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. Now, my ear tabs was lifting just a little bit, so we had to go in with my Kiss Lace Bond spray. Girl, my last unbrush broke. I am so glad I got another one, and this one is even prettier. I love the color. I got this on Amazon. I'll link it in the description box below, just for you, girl. Now this is what the human hair is looking like, girl. 30 inches long. We're gonna have to chop the ends a little bit. We gotta trim them. We gotta give it a little trim, okay? And add some layers, but it's given true to length. Now before we style or do anything, we're gonna protect that hair. Okay, you bought it, protect it, girl. Now of course, you already know I did a side part. We're going to do a little side part and we're going to add some curls. I am going to be using a rotating curling iron I got off of TikTok. And let me tell you, with long hair, it was a little tricky because I've never used it on 30 inches of hair. But once I got the hang of it, it's pretty simple. You just clamp it onto the hair and you let it do the work. You let it rotate. You let it do its thing. Keep watching, sit back and relax. And if you are still here, I appreciate you, girl. Seriously, thank you for sticking around with me, girl. Now let me just address the elephant in the room, aka my little pimple there above my eye. Girl, I know it's there. I know it's there. We ain't gonna give her no more time. I just wanted to let you know. I know. Don't forget to hit that like button, girl, and leave a comment. Say hey. You gotta go with that melting spray for that final touch. That final ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay. We're gonna get into the curling that I was telling you about. It takes some getting used to, but once you do, especially if you don't know how to curl, a rotating curling iron should be your best friend. It really should, okay? But with the front, I wanted a little swoopity-doop. So I went in with my airflow to give it a little bump. And then I'm going to put in a Velcro curler to hold it. And we're going to use a Sebastian spray to give it that extra hold as well. Now right here, girl, you just clamp and let it do the work. And it's swirling. Don't burn yourself. But you let it do the work. Get it as close as possible. And you hold it there, girl. You hold it for as long as you feel. And then you let it go.
Strong. They standing at the door, don't wanna take us on the ring. Let it go about 3 months ago. The pain, the stress, that ain't me no more. The girl that they used to know done changed. Now they say you miss before they mention my name. Y'all, I was gonna move like this. Y'all didn't think that I could move like this. That I told y'all I was gonna move like this. Turn around and I make it jump like this. Wanna keep that body, make it jump like this. Y'all didn't think that I could make it jump like this. Yeah, I told y'all was gonna jump like this. How you not gonna know it when it hits like this? Like 664 came up real slow, put a good game on me. Told him partner don't get too close, so comfortable, cause the quick ain't for me. Got my girls all here, me, so spare me please, all your personal info. I ain't thinking about love, I just wanna get it up, pop a bottle, talk a lot of bullshit.
Girl, sometimes Amazon wigs be a hit or miss. Sometimes I be holding my breath, cause you never know. But this one is a beauty. The hair is very soft and silky. It can hold a curl. The lace, once you tint it and do your thing, it'll melt beautifully. Now you know I had to fix up my little side swoopity doop, like a little side bang. It just does something for me. It just does. I love it. It's so pretty. The link to this beauty is in the description box below. Be cool. Y'all do y'all thing. Now, if you made it this far, I truly appreciate you, queen. Make sure you give this video a like, leave a comment, and let me know what you think. Make sure you subscribe as well, girl. Thank you for vibing with me. I'll see you on the next one, girl.